What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know who, and I'm back with another video. Check out Kicking with your boy Q today. Guys, I got an install video for y'all. As you know, these F250 Super Duties have a huge 12-inch screen in there, guys, and it gets a lot of fingerprints. ScreenProTech actually sent us out a screen protector for the screen, as well as the gauge cluster, and I believe the side pillars here. Let me show y'all the fingerprints on this dang screen here really quick. I mean, it's a massive 12-inch screen, as y'all know. Look at this. I'm gonna wait for it to go off so I can show y'all really quick. The sun is catching. There we go. Look at that. Look how dirty that is, guys. And that's from me touching the screen with my fingers, trying to change the stations, air, whatever the case may be. So yeah, ScreenProTech, they sent this out to us, guys. Go ahead and follow them right there on all their social media platforms. And if you want one of these after I finish install, there's gonna be a link in the bio for you. Cool thing about this is they do offer like 2 different options for you. They have the matte option where it's basically like a matte finish to where there's no glare. You do have a HD one as well, which is what I went with. So it's supposed to like enhance the look of it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these installed. And the process should be pretty simple, guys. So yeah, here we go. This off. I believe it's just up. There we go. Pull it out. And they should come with a lot of stuff here. These are all your pieces. And actually the solution, oh, here we go. Here's solution right here. And actually there's already some solution up in here. So you just need to go add like some warm water. And this is what you're gonna use to spray it with. And these are all your different sheets right here. And again, they're already pre-cut, so you just gotta find the ones you need. They also give you a towel here, microfiber cloth, as well as a squeegee. And they also give you 2 pieces of everything, just in case you make a mistake, which is always a positive. I also have the 2 pieces for my gauge cluster, the side panels right here as well. You can see it's pre-cut out for the code, where the barcode goes, which is pretty neat. So yeah, they pretty much give you everything you need, bro. Honestly, you don't need anything. This is like a one-stop shop kit, you know? So anyway, first step, we got our solution here, added warm water. As you can see, our first step here is to go ahead and spray the screen. So we're gonna go ahead and spray this off like that. Go take our microfiber, like a cloth here, go wipe it off, get it all nice and clean. Oh wow, this is a good solution, bro. Oh, look at all those fingerprints come off. We gotta take this off. Oh wow, it's actually a very thick piece of film. Then you're gonna take your spray and you wanna spray your adhesive all on the back of this. So we go spray. Gosh, it's getting all over the place. And they spray a lot in the video, so we go spray a lot as well. It's kind of sticking to each other. That's okay. Then you go spray some more of this on here. Allows you to slide it around. So then we're just gonna take this and put it on, down. I need to pull it down. Okay, Q. And then you're gonna take your squeegee here. And we just go squeegee this out, see what happens. Hopefully I won't block you out that whole time down here, bro. Let me use this one. Yeah. Now, they did say there are some bubbles that may occur in the back for a little bit, but after like 14 days or so, it should go away. Yeah, got it. And just like that, that's on there, guys. So let's go ahead and just wipe it off with our towel here. Turn the whatchamacallit on, see what it looks like. There we go. And y'all can see, I can still see very, very clear. It is a high gloss. Now I will say you can see, y'all probably can't see some of the stuff in the background. Y'all probably can see a little bit now on the white screen. But yeah, that's on there, bro. And it looks pretty good, man. It looks pretty good, I will say. So now when I go and like touch my stuff, you know what I'm saying? I won't get like those fingerprints everywhere like, oh yeah. And it's still got that high, bright visibility that I was looking for, which is why I chose to go this one as opposed to the matte. But the matte is a super clean look, I will say. I personally chose not to install any of the other pieces. I didn't do the panels and I didn't do the instrument cluster up there as well. I personally just didn't feel that was necessary. But if you are interested, they do have that option for you. As you can see now, there's literally no fingerprints like being left on this thing. If you want you one and you want a kit, go ahead, click my link. I'll put it down there in the bio for y'all. Check it out. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good, man. All right, guys, we are delivery day. Yes, sir. Show y'all what we got going on down here. You don't mind if I film, do you? No. I got a YouTube channel, man. So, dude, you in a big truck. Goodness gracious, man. What you got in this thing? Wait, is this a normal size container?
Yeah,
53? Dude, it looks huge. Goodness gracious. Anyway, man. How you doing, boss? I'm Q.
I'm Mike.
Mike, nice to meet you, man. I'm your last one, huh?
Well, I got a few more, but
okay.
You're my main delivery, I guess.
Okay. All good. Appreciate it.
I wanted to ask,
yeah.
do I get your permission to put like those wheels on my pallet jack, or you're afraid that you might get the yellow on the tires?
No, I'm not worried about it. Will it come off? Will the yellow wipe off?
Well, I'm not going to put them on that hard, but
okay.
I mean, I just wanted to mention that.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I could just roll them. I'll help you roll them up.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. Delivery day. Delivery day.
Which way you're rolling them through there?
I went that way.
Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna be the best bet.
All right.
It's a tight fit, but.
Okay.
Oh, you can. You make me look bad, Mike. There goes, I got Mike. Super cool dude, bro. I don't know why that trailer just looks freaking huge, man. Sheesh. Okay, guys, let me show y'all what we got up in this joint. Excuse the sweat, y'all know, swear. Let me show y'all what we got in this joint, bro.
Ran off on the floor twice.
Geeked out, man, for real, bro. We on some 38s, 15.5, 20s, boy. Nitto trail grapplers, guys. You can see right there, guys. So this is the mud tire from Nitto. I guess I can go ahead and roll one down here to show y'all really quick. I'm gonna compare one to the 35 actually. So let's roll one down. This is the 38. Gosh, look at this tire, bro. Is it two sidewall like the trail grapplers? I mean like the ridge grappler? Can't tell. Let me get in a little light for y'all. There we go, a little light, a little better. I don't know if it's two sidewall. Oh, look at that, got even like the Nitto logo in there. Right there, that's pretty dope. But let me pull out this 37 right here. Show y'all the difference. I knew something was gonna give me trouble. Holy crap, bro. That's a huge difference. This 37s, they just like to roll for whatever reason. Here we go. Here we go, bro. Look at that. I mean, can y'all notice the difference? Oh yeah, height-wise, actually it's not too far off, honestly. Let me get them a little closer. Here's a better comparison. Oh yeah, the 38 is definitely taller. Let me go another way so y'all can see with the light coming in. Yeah, it's taller by about an inch, you know, not too much. Side profile right here for y'all. Yeah, y'all can see. As far as width, yeah, 13.5, 15.5. And right here, you definitely can see the height difference, bro. For sure. Yeah, and this, again, 24. So look how much bigger and open the space is here. These are 20s. You can see the difference in this circumference right there, the circles. We got some 38, 15.5 Nitto trail grapplers. They are going on Queen. So that should already tell you kind of look we going for on the truck, you know? And actually, let me put these 38s next to these 37s real quick. Try to do this in one hand. We're gonna make it work, baby. Here we go. I guess I really just did this comparison already, but just want to see. Oh yeah, these 15.5s are much wider, bro. Like, look at the difference. Not sure. Look at that. Huge difference in width, for sure. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. You see how much sidewall I have now on the 13.5? Like, look at that. So that 15.5 gonna be way bubbled. Like, you know what I mean? Like the bubble, like this part here is gonna be sticking out a little further. So yeah, I'm very curious to see. But now with that, you know we gotta lift the truck. We gotta lift it. So lift kit is on the way. We gotta lift it. How tall? Y'all gotta stay tuned. But yeah, because these 38s on here would not fit, if you wonder. They're gonna rub, because actually on these 37, 13.5s, I'm already rubbing on the radius arm up there. So yeah, guys, 38s, that's what we got. That's what we got cooking. Man, that tire is fat. That's a fat, thick tire, bro. Y'all see that? Sheesh. So I'm not sure where the video end to pick up at. It might be the end of the video. I don't know, but either see y'all in the next video. This might just be a quick update because I don't have all the pieces, the parts yet. We got a long way to go. I'm just be real. Some parts won't even be here to the end of July. It's July 1st today I'm filming this video in case you're watching. So I got to hold another month before even some of the rest of the parts come. So it's gonna be a little while to get the parts. So we got 38s. Come below. What y'all think? Is it what you expected? Is it what you was thinking? You know, let me know. Talk to your boy, man. If this is all I got, I'll catch y'all next, baby. If not, y'all see another clip. But yeah, I'll see y'all. Peace.